Today let's see how we can use the technology parameter filters to identify and find companies which are using certain technologies and products. So I'm in my contact search filter here, and I go to company parameters. This is basically where I can go and type roughly around 40,000 odd technologies and products that you can think of. Also, if you don't find a specific product that you're looking for here, you can just send a request to support, and within a day or so, support can add those technologies for you, and you can see those in the drop down directly. So let's say I want to find out companies that are using AWS. So I all have to do is simply search for AWS here, and the contacts will come whose companies are using AWS. Now, not necessarily these contacts specifically are using AWS, but it will identify the companies who are using AWS, and then from there on you can identify the contacts in those companies by putting other filters such as seniority, function, and other things that you can identify to pinpoint on the contacts. So here you can see I have got the contacts which basically of the companies that are actually using AWS right now. I can also look for companies which are not using AWS by making this filter as negative. So now it will start finding companies which are currently not using AWS. So if I'm a company which is, let's say, providing services for cloud migration, and my specialization is in actually implementing AWS, then I can look at it in two ways. I can look for companies which are actually using AWS already, and provide them additional services for further migration, or I can look for companies which are not using AWS right now and tell them the advantages of moving to AWS. So you can use this in both ways, which will actually help you identify and pinpoint specific customer requirements, and then reach out to them accordingly. Thank you.